Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Snapchat, and from here we need to click on our profile picture in the top left corner to basically open our profile. Now from our profile we need to go and open settings, clicking on the settings button with a little gear icon in the top right corner. Now we need to scroll down this list of settings a little bit until we'll find Bitmoji just right here, so click on it, and now we'll have some options, some settings of our Bitmoji. We can change everything, edit, choose a selfie, what we like, but just below all these options we have little text that is called remove my Bitmoji, so we need to simply click on this text, remove Bitmoji, and then confirm the action clicking on remove once again, and it will basically delete our Bitmoji from our account. And that is basically, if we go back to our profile, we will see that we have missing Bitmoji and we successfully removed it. And basically that is it. That is how we can remove 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.